Ponglang kabadega shat le niam jaga hima khairem haga khatwai teregu naiwe kabadega si balai jong kajile niam kalaploi ka shat Ponglang yodo habreng gajing shongkhya shongkun kumbajulong malaka snem ye ka shat nong krem la ne ka Ponglang la rakhi ha upanai senrai haga shnong smen haga ne gasngi us em ka hima khairem upa em Dr. Balajit Singh em batla ka yen ka sem ringkat bat kiwede kinonge shimbenta kya ya cha unom Ponglang na ka benta ban pendap ya kanyam karukom
Today is a very important auspicious day for us because we pay obeisance to God Almighty and also to the deity of Himachal, So we have done the rituals, we have done the sacrifice, and the dance is there now. Where along with what we have, we also have to follow some protocols because of the situation, pandemic situation that prevails. Though it has lessened quite a lot, and protocols have been relaxed. So we look forward to God Almighty to bless us during our festival, so that the coming months will see us have clear, clean nature where the pandemic is done with ultimately, and we hope that God will bless us in bounty because we have suffered so much. The people have suffered much for the last 1 year, more than a year now, because of the restrictions and pandemic situation, and hopefully all this will go after this festival of ours, Nongkrem Dance.
Hagani ke jira khelai dan ringkat ru menteri ramba ke jelau konot ki sangma UMLA ke maurin keneng uba penyai sings em us em ke hima khairem upa em aina manix em bar kiwei de
I'm here today to witness a very important ritual called Ponglang, and this is the first time that I have been in this ritual, and it just reflects and showcases our rich heritage and our rich culture of our people, and the fact that we need to preserve it and ensure that we do our best to maintain it, and that future generations can also learn from it. And that's why, after speaking to Paim and to the other elders of CM of Khairem and all the other organizers out here, and even our elected representatives, we have just decided that we will, from the government, we will give our support to develop this particular place where this ritual is being held for more than 100 years, almost 200 years. Ritual is being held in this very precise location, and yet there's not enough development to promote that, and also to attract tourists is not happening. So I'm happy to inform you also that I have decided that we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here, so that this could become a permanent site, which it already is, but have the required amenities, and also become a good tourist attraction to really showcase the rich heritage and the rich culture that our people and our state has.